In this craft, every hunter begins with a mere husk, but with patience and a steady hand, the hunter shall rise from the void of colorless resin. First, I cleanse the figure, removing imperfections, forging the base of the hunter as if shaping a weapon in the old workshop. Every mold line, every flaw must be banished before the hunt begins. Then comes the primer. I drape the miniature in shadows, black or near black tones. For me, darkness is not the absence of color, but the foundation of it. This creates the depth I seek, echoing Yharnam's dim, flickering lamplight. Yet before I lay down base colors, I perform a subtle dry brush with cold grays. This early whisper of light caresses the highest points, setting the stage for a soft transition and a weathered, worn look. As if this hunter has already endured countless nights of the hunt. I then block in the base colors, muted leathers, dull metals, and tattered fabrics, every stroke reflecting the harshness and decay of the old world. The hunter starts to take form, but his story is still veiled. A dark wash flows next, like the cold blood that seeps through cobblestone cracks. It settles into every fold, every scar, breathing life into the shadows and drawing forth the ancient details etched into the figure. Once the wash dries, I return with a dry brush, this time with lighter, colder hues. The edges and raised textures begin to glimmer faintly, like moonlight catching on the edge of the hunter's worn axe. I move to the fine details: rusted metal, stitched leather, faint bloodstains. These are not just ornaments, they are stories. Every scratch, every faded fabric tells of battles long fought beneath the pale moon. Finally, I seal the fate of this hunter with a layer of varnish. Matte, of course, for no true hunter glistens. Yet, here and there, a glint of wetness may hint at the blood that still clings. And so, the hunter is reborn. No longer a mere figure, but a survivor of the hunt, ready to step once more into the nightmare.